Hey guys, Key here. Um, I got I got 100 pliers, I think, and I think half of those are like needle nose pliers, and they're right here. Look, right here, just jammed in there, and you can't even close this thing, and it's just painful. So we're going to do some more organizing today. We're going to make some kind of bracket to hold those pliers and put them up on the wall so they're out of the way and out of this toolbox. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get going. Too many pliers. So here's the pliers we got. We got lots of needle nose pliers, as you can see. And then some needle nose pliers that somehow are specialty items. I don't quite know what. And then rounded needle nose pliers. And then a duckbill needle nose pliers. And then a cutter of some kind. And then we've got vice grips and some parallel draws pliers. We got side cutters. We got electrical linesman pliers. We got regular pliers that everybody's got. We got this. We got pliers that cut wire. Sewing machine pliers. Fish hook pliers. Get a fish hook out of a fish's mouth. Laboratory pliers. We've got wire, fence wire pliers, and it just goes on and on. Much better. Everything holds in. Good. let's see if it fits. I got a little problem with these. That's okay. Okay, little adjustment here. And I think we'll slit this so we can see the bottom. Okay, looks good. We've even got places for 4 more, if we were to get some. So there you have it, guys. Organized pliers. I got most everything I need right out here. I left a couple up in the toolbox and some in the truck, but this organizes them pretty good, and I can see what I need, and I don't have to struggle with a drawer all the time. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.